Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I will be reviewing a fidget spinner. I already have it out of the box. It is in this package. Cannot show you this because it gives away the spinner. And then I get this red and green with black cap. Oh look, it lights up sometimes. And we're going to do some stuff with it. So, yeah. So, obviously, this is a red and green fidget spinner. 2 black caps. It has a lot of logos on it. So let's just give it a spin test. We do not have a timer, unfortunately. So it's just, we're just going to start it soon. We'll do a spin test soon. I'll have experiment. Sorry for all the background noise. I have this. You can spin because it's really light. YouTube. Alright.
Noah, we really gotta take it a little bit easy on the groceries because I don't know how much I bought. Like, it might seem like a lot, but it does and it doesn't seem like a lot.
Spin it.
You sure? Did you take it a little other plastic piece?
Sorry for all the background noise. My mom yelling in the back.
What's mom got for you?
There's no toys for my dog. You might hear a lot of squeaking now. So, yeah, so let's do it right now. Susie hits 210. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, let's see how long it spins. 10 seconds. What? 20 seconds. It's already slowing down. 20. Yo, are you serious? It spins for 31 seconds. That really sucks. So, it really sucks actually. So let's try something in the room. Let's head right into the room. Yeah, because you know fidget spinners are kind of dying out right now. I want to enter my room. My brother's in here. How you doing, Isaac?
Leave me alone!
I do stuff in the room. So, what we're doing in the room is checking out some few things with the fidget spinner.
Boys, leave me alone because I'm shaking in here.
Okay, so I'm gonna.
You might have to leave because I might shame.
Hold on, after I'm doing it. So,
Hey, someone else saying now. You might get annoyed, but who cares if people get annoyed?
So, he's turning out songs. I might have to go right quick. I just gotta test something. One thing really fast. So let's get something. Transition. 3, 2, 1. So we have our thing here. I know it's just plastic. I'm just kidding.
What is he doing?
We're gonna have to do something here. So I need something flat and strong. But yeah. Come on. Okay, just can't do this trick. Oh my god. It's so cool. Look, it has green on the side. And then right on this side. Whoa, you can see, I can see it right there on my screen. Looks dope. I can see a little bit of red, I see a red circle going up. So yeah, this is actually going to be ending the video. If you guys like today's video, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, say yeah, please. Okay, spinner outro. How about this? Fidget spinner outro. Fidget spinner outro? Okay.